is Juan Coronado from Serenata in Washington, D.C. And we have partnered with DC Modern Luxury Magazine and with Mac and Ernie Associates to show you how to make the perfect margarita for your Cinco de Mayo. So let's go ahead and make one. So the first thing that we're going to do is to rim our glass with salt. I personally don't like the glass fully rimmed, so I'm going to opt for a little bit, half a rim. So the way we do this is by taking a lime, getting one of the inside parts on the outside rims or the lips of the glass, and then applying it into some salt in a bowl that I did here. But you guys can use any salt that you may have, from pink to coarse salt to sal de gusano. Anything may apply and it might be delicious as well, okay? So for a cocktail, what we're gonna do is simply add 2 ounces of tequila. In this case, I'm using Cazadores Blanco Tequila, which is a tequila from the Highlands, which I love. And we're gonna impart 2 ounces of it. That will bring some agave beautiful notes and also some aguamiel. Then we're gonna proceed to add lime. Lime is the acidity. If you have limes in your house, please make sure you roll them in a counter before you extract the juice so you can get most out of it. I already did juice some of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 ounce of lime juice into it. And here we go, 1 fully ounce. Then next I'm gonna add half an ounce of agave nectar. You can use sugar syrup or you can use honey syrup. I have some agave nectar ready at home, so I'm gonna do half an ounce. And here we go, half an ounce goes in. Last but not least, we're gonna add 1/4 ounce of any orange liqueur that you may have at home. And here we go, 1/4 ounce, perfect. Then we're gonna proceed and fill our margarita glass with ice. I got some cubes from my refrigerator. They're all in there, perfectly set. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my tins full of ice. I already have them, so I'm gonna apply all the juices that I have in here. And we're gonna give it a very good shake. So excuse me while I shake this one. Alright, as you saw me dancing with my shakers, yes, it's Cinco de Mayo, a beautiful cultural celebration in which we celebrate a lot of heritage from Mexico. It's the celebration of the Batalla de Puebla. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain my cocktail immediately into this beautiful glass that we already set. And ladies and gentlemen, there we have it, the perfect margarita. Enjoy and be responsible. If you guys would like to check out our cocktail kits and our cocktail classes, please go to www.serenatadc.com. We'll be there every Friday teaching you new tricks and celebrating the culture of the bar. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks.